Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to unmute your microphone on the Zoom app. So let's start. First open the Zoom app and tap on Join to join a meeting. I'll just join a meeting right now. Now tap Join. Now enter the passcode and tap OK. Now tap on Join Audio on bottom left corner and tap on Call over Internet. And your microphone is connected with the meeting. Now if you tap on the microphone icon, it will mute your microphone. And if you tap it again, it will unmute your microphone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.